What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some pizza roll-ups, and you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, pizza roll-ups? Is that anything like pizza rolls? Well, it is, if you put a big-ass cape on it and a big S on its chest, because these are like the Superman of pizza rolls. It's a pizza roll-up, baby. Now, before I even start, I have to give a quick shout out to the folks over there at George's Heating and Cooling. You know, I caught wind that they be watching my show, so I truly appreciate that. If you need any heating or cooling needs, because I gotta tell you, it's hotter than a dusty cheeser out there. You get a little sweaty and your AC ain't working like it should. Call up George's Heating and Cooling because they gonna do you right. Now that that's over with, let's roll, baby. So, first thing you gotta do, gonna make a roll up, gotta have something to roll up, don't you there, Cypress Hill? Talking about roll it up, light it up, smoke it up, inhale, exhale, inhale, but we ain't doing that yet, maybe in a little bit. Now, first thing you gotta do, get that tortilla, buddy. And today, I went ahead and got the fajita tortilla. Now, after I did this, I kind of said, you know, Black Owl, you might ought to have got that burrito, but here's the thing. It is what it is, and we're gonna roll with it. This works just fine. But if you want some more roll to roll, get the bigger tortilla, baby. Now, I went ahead and got the fajita, like I said, we're gonna lay that down, and then we're gonna add a little sauce. And speaking of which, got some sauce for myself today because it's hot outside and I need a little refreshment. I'm drinking that Modelo Chelada Limoni Sal. It's sweet, it's salty, and it's good. So let me have a slurp of it. Oh man, that tastes good on a hot day. So we've got our tortilla. Let's get our sauce today. I went ahead and got that marinara sauce, not to be confused with the stuff you get down at the dispensary because it's everywhere now. It's like Ray Stevens said, it's everywhere, it's everywhere. So, get the marinara sauce, lay it down, baby. Say, lay me down and softly whisper, marinara in your ear, like Conway Twitty. So, put that marinara sauce on there. Now we're gonna get that cheese, baby. Put the cheese on top, let it get real cheesy to you. Now, I just used some Colby Jack today. You can get whatever kind of cheese you want, but you know me, buddy. I'm using the Colby Jack because I like the multicolored on there. So, we've got that on there. Now, let's go ahead and add some pepperoni and some salami because I like some meat in there. And here's the thing about this. It's cool because you can customize this any way you want. It's kind of like that mixtape that you made for your girlfriend back in the 7th grade. You know, you got to fade from Black Dog into Christopher Cross pretty easy. So, got to have that transition, buddy. And you know, like I said, it's customizable. You can use whatever you want. I thought about getting some sausage, maybe some black olives, some other stuff, but you know me, buddy. I can tell you that shit. So, that's what I did today. And this is the best way to do it because I'll tell you something else before we done. And you better listen closely. This meal, I didn't have any of this shit at the house. I went to the store and got all this stuff. It was less than $15 and it's gonna feed the whole army. I actually have ingredients left over that I'm gonna repurpose for something else. Now, we're gonna go ahead and put our pepperoni, salami on top of the deal. Now, I went ahead and cut up some onions and green peppers. To me, they're like the Bash Brothers, baby. They can do no wrong. So, put them together, it's gonna be something wonderful. Now, put those on top and down. We're gonna roll this up and I'm gonna go against my own rule. You're saying, Black Owl, don't you usually tuck the ends in when you roll something? Well, I tried on this thing, but I packed it a little too full. That's why you get the bigger tortilla. Now, ooh, pardon me. That's the alarm going off telling me Daddy needs a little more. So, oh, that's good. Now, got it all in there. Go ahead and roll it up. And you're saying again, Black Owl, don't you need some kind of butter or something to seal this? Well, that cheese in there, it's gonna grab it. It's gonna hold it tight and it's gonna say, I love you, don't go nowhere, and it's gonna make it good. So, that is gonna do the job. Go ahead and get it folded. Now we got it folded, get your pan, get it hot to trot, and there again, Black Owl, add some oil, add some butter. Mind your business, do as I tell, and not as you do over there in the bougie world that you live in there, bad and bougie. Now, we're gonna go ahead and put our, got myself again. Now you gonna go ahead and, the Migos. I do like the Migos. Now you put these down in there, and you're gonna let them cook. And it won't take long, because once you put it down in there, by the time you get all of them in there, you can go ahead and start flipping, man. Because once this cooks, it's gonna be done. And of course, Black Owl, that was the most profound thing I think you've ever said on this show. Once it cooks, it's gonna be done. That's not what I meant. The thing about it is everything inside is already done. So really, you're just getting the brown on the outside, getting that cheese to melt, getting everything to blend together. And once we get it all to blend together, we're gonna take it out and we're gonna take a big sight and we're gonna have a big, beautiful bite of these pizza roll-ups tonight, boy. I'm telling you what. Alright baby, the time has come. My pizza roll-ups are done. And I'm having that first bite for El Capitan over here. So, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, this little roll-up got to go. So, and man, like I said, that cheese blended it together. It already got that pizzeria smell. I'm in here singing like that man from the Pringles commercial talking about Pizzalicious. So, let's have a bite and shut up, shall we? Sir! Sir! That's something else. Whoa! I should have called this something else, because I'm going to tell you something about it. Definitely got a pizza flavor to it. But if you ever go to the pizzerias, most of the time they got a little sandwich on there too. The Italian sandwich. One of my favorites, man. With that salami and the green pepper and onion, it's really giving me Italian sandwich vibes, baby. And I quite like it. So, I have got to get out of here because I'm about to eat the whole board, and I don't want you to see me do that. So, I want to thank y'all for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Iron. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, enjoy your roll up. If you got a beverage, hold it high and toast the sky, because we live in life right. So, I will see y'all next time, baby. Yeah. Which one first? Both at the same time? No, don't do both at the same time. Yeah, and a little chaser.